taking advantage of falling rates without the risk of going variable. Interest rates are finally easing from their peak, and there's a window of opportunity opening up to save money, and you don't have to wait till renewal to do this. It's called the Waterfall or Cascade financial strategy. Want to learn more? Tune in. Start saving today. Don't wait for renewal to save on the interest on your mortgage. Hello, everyone. My name is Sylvia Ho, and I'm a financial landlord consultant. I empower landlords with financial strategies to help them save money, to reduce the income taxes that they have to pay the government each year, and to save the interest that we have to pay the banks. So what is a strategy all about? This strategy offers you a way to lock in today's lower rates incrementally without suffering through the volatility of a variable rate. So take advantage of the declining rates, not later, but now, and I'll give you more control over your mortgage while building long-term savings. So what are we going to do? What is the goal of this whole strategy? It's to reduce your mortgage costs over time by making annual prepayments and resettling those amounts at the current rate. Let me give you an example. Let's just say you have a $500,000 mortgage on a 30-year amortization and you're at 5.5%. Your mortgage payments are going to be $3,000 per month. Rates are now 4.5%. And you're having this little conversation with yourself. You're like, oh man, I wish my mortgage was not up for renewal last year. I locked into 5.5%. Now rates are sitting at 4.5%. I just have to wait till my renewal before I can do anything. Fast forward a year, you're like, okay, it's 4.5%. Can I do anything? You go into the bank, you're like, hey bank, I'm at 5.5% on my $500,000 mortgage. I see rates are at 4.5%. I want to get the 4.5% rate. And they're like, okay, yeah, sure, no problem. You'll have to pay a penalty because you signed a 5-year contract. And then the penalty is ginormous. And then most people just walk away from the banks. It's like, darn it, I wish I didn't sign a 5-year, 5.5 interest rate mortgage. But at that time, it was a good rate. So in hindsight, you only know in hindsight whether you made a good decision or not. So with this specific Cascade waterfall strategy, you can take advantage of the lower rates. So what you're going to do is this. You have a $500,000 mortgage. It's on a 30-year AM. You're at 5.5%. Rates are now 4.5%. What you are going to do is you're going to use your line of credit to make a lump sum payment on your $500K mortgage. So lump sum payments range from different lenders from 10 to 15 to 20%. I'm just going to use 20% as a nice, easy number because that's the mortgage products that I can get my client. So 20% of $500,000 is $100,000. So now you're going to take $100,000 on your line of credit and you're going to prepay that $500K mortgage. So now you have a two-part mortgage. You have a $400,000 mortgage on this side, and then you have a $100,000 mortgage on the line of credit. And then what you're going to do is you're going to say, hey branch, I owe $100,000 on my line of credit. I would like to lock it in to 4.5%. And then you lock it into 4.5%. And this is a way of mitigating how much interest you pay to the banks. And then all you do, so essentially your mortgage, your effective rate on your mortgage is lower. And then each year, you review your debt that you owe, and you review your mortgage rate, and you rinse and repeat. And this is what I'm going to be offering my clients who are in the Cascade strategy, where we're going to have annual mortgage reviews, and we're going to look, okay, is this a good time to lock it in? So who is this mortgage strategy good for? Well, anyone who has a mortgage here in Canada and wants to save money. If you want to see if this specific strategy will work for you, comment Waterfall below and let's chat. Let's get on to a 20-minute Zoom call. I'm going to ask you to send me your mortgage statement and some information so that I can better, in our Zoom call, we're going to be talking about strategy instead of, high level stuff. Next week, I'm going to talk about things to look out for in this Waterfall financial strategy. If you love the videos that I have been giving you every single Wednesday, please encourage me to make more videos by liking it. But more importantly, can you please comment in the comment section so that Facebook knows that, hey, people like this. I want more people to see this. That would be wonderful. It'll give me encouragement to make more videos for you guys to save more money. Thank you very much for listening, everyone. My name is Sylvia Ho, and I'm a financial landlord consultant. I empower landlords to save money via lowering your income taxes that you pay the government each year, and lowering the interest that you pay the banks. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next week about things to look out for this particular waterfall strategy. Thank you. Bye now.